So we continue stage 2 of cooking pasta. This is we have a supermodel from Lugansk cooking pasta. She's I don't know, you say cutting the onions, and this apartment doesn't have a lot of tools. Bad knife.
Yes.
Yeah, so no hurt. Hey, don't do that. Yeah,
No, you see,
I know.
I cannot.
Yeah, so yes. So I'm gonna eat pasta. I kind of have a feeling it's gonna be very good. You think it would be better than my eggs, the one I cooked this morning? How were my eggs? You need to tell people how good my eggs were, right?
It's nice.
Scrambled eggs?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Omelette.
No, scrambled eggs.
Oh, it's okay.
Scrambled eggs. Okay, we have a problem here. I did some scrambled eggs. I cooked some scrambled eggs. Here in Russia they call it omelette. But the omelette is something else. Scrambled egg is something else. So we had this debate. Anyway, I ate it all. I put a little milk in it and I cooked. Да?
Конечно, для друга все можно.
Yeah, you can speak in Russian. It's so sexy.
It's not sexy.
Alina is very sexy. No? Yeah? Normal.
Поможем другу приготовить омлет.
Omelette. Scrambled eggs.
Ладно, поможем тебе приготовить пасту.
Yes.
Я не люблю мясо.
Да.
Что надо с этим делать?
Нет. Спасибо, пожалуйста.
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 Мы просто распиливаем этот лук, потому что у нас не получается по-другому. Нож плохой, досочка ужасная.
What? Okay, she's finished with the onion. Look at her hand, them sweet hands.
You want this one?
No, what am no?
Take.